wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best tabletop outdoor heaters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. It may look a lot like a regular lamp, but the Star Patio 1566 CT draws 1500 watts in order to provide a comforting glow when it gets cold out. With its IP44 protection rating, it promises to be safe for use in dusty and even slightly damp conditions. Its bulb should last for about 8,000 hours, and it also comes in an overhead model, but its output isn't adjustable. At number 6, a miniature version of the popular freestanding propane models, the FireSense 61322 is about 3 feet tall and puts out up to 10,000 BTUs. It does go through fuel rather quickly, so you might want to pick up an adapter in order to attach it to a 20-pound tank. It comes with piezoelectric ignition with a bronze or stainless steel finish. Nevertheless, it can be difficult to light. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the 18,000 BTU peak output of the Mr. Heater Big Buddy is about as good as it gets for a portable model. It will shut itself off automatically in the event of low oxygen levels or an extinguished pilot light, and the durable ergonomic handle makes it relatively easy to carry. It's equipped with a piezoelectric ignition and 3 heat settings, but note that it's not legal in California or Massachusetts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the 28-inch Bond firebowl makes a good centerpiece. This one works best on top of an umbrella hole to accommodate its fuel intake, and it produces flames several inches high. It features an electric ignition for an easy startup and uses a 20-pound propane tank. However, it is relatively expensive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, it doesn't get much simpler than the Real Hot Pot, a clay vessel that can use a variety of fuels, such as wood pellets, gel canisters, or votive candles. Beware though that it does get deceptively hot to the touch. It's surprisingly effective and sports an attractive rustic appearance. You can add a grate and use it as a grill too. At number 2, because it's so compact and lightweight, the Mr. Heater Little Buddy is considerably more portable than most others. It shuts off automatically if it senses low oxygen or if it tips over, so it's relatively safe. It produces nearly 4,000 BTUs per hour and is suitable for spaces of up to 95 square feet. It's certified for use in all states. And coming in at number 1 on our list, a durable construction, low center of gravity, and an indoor safe design make the Mr. Heater Buddy a good choice for hunting, camping, and working in small spaces. It comes in red or gray and produces between 4,000 and 9,000 BTUs. It's almost 100% efficient and features an automatic safety shutoff. It doesn't cost very much either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tabletop outdoor heaters, or simply click beneath this video.